Students, I am going to take question number 18 of Goyal and Goyal for accounting for partnership firms fundamentals. The question runs as follows. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. On 1st April 2018, they have fixed capitals for rupees 8 lakh, 6 lakh and rupees 6 lakh respectively. So the capitals are fixed. So in this type of situation, if any appropriation is there, that will be handled with the help of their current accounts. On 1st October 2018, A advanced rupees 1 lakh to the firm, whereas C took a loan of rupees 1,50,000 from the firm on the same date. So you see again, one partner is taking loan and another partner is giving loan to the firm. It was agreed among the partners that C will pay interest at the rate of 10% per annum. So you see again, as far as C is concerned, he has to pay at the rate of 10% per annum to the firm. However, regarding interest on loan for A, no rate has been given. So in this type of situation, at the rate of 6% per annum will be applicable for A. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounted to rupees 4,20,000 before allowing or charging interest on loans. Pass journal entries for interest on loans and prepare current accounts of the partners. So you see here in the books of the firm, 2018 October 1st, the first entry will be for taking loan from the A, bank account debited to A's loan account, rupees 1 lakh. Then loan has been given to the C. So C's loan account will be debited. Being an asset, it will be debited. So C's loan account debited to bank, rupees 1,50,000. Loan has been given to C. Then on the closing of the accounting period, that is on 2019 March 31st, interest on A's loan account debited rupees 3,000 to A's loan account. You see, the amount was rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 6% for 6 months. From October 1st to March 31st, it becomes 3,000. Interest on A's loan, being an expense for the firm, will be debited and it will be transferred towards the A's loan account because nothing has been given in the question regarding the interest on loan has been paid in cash or not, or has been paid or not. Then, as far as C's interest on loan is concerned, C will pay interest to the firm. So, C's current account will be debited to interest on C's loan. Interest on C's loan, being an income for the firm, will be credited. And however, again it has not been given in the question that the C has paid it in cash or bank. So, cash or bank will not be debited. His current account, because C is partner also, so his current account can be debited in this situation. So for 1,50,000 at the rate of 10%, the amount will be 7,500 for 6 months. Then at last, the profit, the interest charged and interest received will be transferred towards the profit and loss account. So P&L account debited to interest on A's loan 3,000 and interest on C's loan account debited 7,500 to profit and loss account because it is an income. So we'll find it placed in on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Now in the profit and loss account, by profit rupees 4,20,000, by interest on C's loan 7,500, then interest paid or payable towards the A's loan into interest on A's loan will come on the debit side, that is rupees 3,000, and to net profit, which is transferable towards the profit and loss appropriation account, 4,24,500. Now in profit and loss appropriation account, the profit on the credit side is transferred from the profit and loss account by P&L account 4,24,500 and no other appropriation is given. And as far as their profit sharing ratio is concerned, no profit sharing ratio is given. So equally it will be distributed among the partners. 3 partners are there. So 1,41,500 each partner will get. So 4,24,500 will be distributed in equal proportion. Then partners current account. No balances are given as far as the current accounts are concerned. Only one appropriation is there, so it will find its place on the credit side by P&L appropriation account 1,41,500 each for each partner. Then, as far as C is concerned, we have given one entry: C's current account debited to interest on C's loan account. So it has been charged from the current account of C, so it will find its place on the debit side. Otherwise, the balances for the A and B will be 1,41,500 each and 1,34,000 for C. As far as their partner capital accounts are concerned, the balances are given and fixed capital accounts are there. So it will remain intact and as usual the balances will appear 8 lakh, 6 lakh and 6 lakh.